Unlock pro-level engraving at home. The TwoTrees TTS-55 Pro and TTS-10 Pro combine 40W and 80W power with surgical precision, cutting 8mm thick wood, 5mm acrylic, and engraving metal like stainless steel. Revolutionary beam shaping, 0.08mm ultrafine laser focus, finer than a human hair. Achieve intricate details on ceramics, leather, and even alumina. Blazing speed, 10,000 mm per minute engraving with dual Y-axis motors for rock-solid stability. No wobbles, just flawless cuts every time. Safety first, 98% UV filtering shield protects your eyes. Dedicated control switch adds peace of mind for long projects. Focus in seconds. Turn the knob, no tools needed. Fixed focus column plus measuring rulers ensure perfect alignment. Measure materials on the fly. Assembly in 30 minutes, 60% pre-built. Aluminum profile and plastic parts make it lightweight, 3 kilograms, yet rugged. Move it anywhere. Ultimate compatibility. Control via Wi-Fi, USB, or offline using TF card. Works with LaserGRBL, LightBurn, and more. Supports Windows and Mac systems plus JPG, PNG, and SVG files. Imagine this. Engrave custom jewelry at 0.1mm accuracy, cut architectural models in minutes, or personalize metal tools, all from your garage. For makers who demand pro power without pro complexity, this is the 2024 game changer. Discover it on Aliexpress, where precision meets passion.